All right, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Gmail account if this is what you choose to do. This is only if you have not selected to utilize the web clients available through Bluehost. Again, Bluehost does offer free web clients for your email. I choose to use the Gmail account because I enjoy the Gmail apps. So if you want to continue on, let's log in. All right, so once we log in to our account, I could submit. We're going to be back at our dashboard at Bluehost. What we're going to do, we're going to go down to email, click on the G Suite icon, and that's going to take us to the G Suite for Work. Take your time, read through some of the benefits. Again, it is going to be $5 a month to use this. So one user, it's just me, so that's all I need, but you can pick as many as 120. I'm going to select my domain, and I'm going to push Add to Cart. Okay, once on this page, I noticed very quickly that Bluehost charges for the G Suite $5 a month, which is the same price that Google charges. However, it looks as though they are charging you for the 12 months upfront. So you will have to come out of your pocket $59.65 upfront in order to purchase the G Suite. I have a quick hack that I use. My hack is going straight through Google. I know I usually buy my domains through Google, but this time I went through Bluehost. But typically when you go through Google directly, you can pay $5 per month. So if you ever want to change mid-year, you can do that. I like that flexibility, so that's what I'm going to do. We're going to go to Google Apps. Going to go to G Suite Products. And we are going to go ahead and get started by setting up our Gmail account. So first things first, we're going to fill in our company information. Of course, I blurred all that out so that all my information isn't all over the internet. But once you do that, you can also pause this tutorial just to get to until you finish completing your portion until we get to the next section. So I would like to use a domain name I already have purchased. We already purchased it through Bluehost, so there's no need to buy a domain with Google. This will help us jumpstart right into setting up. So because we're going through Gmail, we're going to have to set up a handler. So I'm going to go with info. I'm going to create my password, and I'm going to let the system know that I am not a robot. All right, looks like Google is acknowledging me. Now I need to put in my password so I can sign into my new dashboard for my email account. All right, it's asking me to verify my personal information. I'm going to get the code and add in the information sent to me. Then we're going to verify, and I'm going to accept all the terms that I've read before. And now we are going to set up our G Suite. All right, so we're going to add people to our account. Right now it is only me, so this should be easy. It's giving me some, help from, like if I want to have sales or customer service. Nope, just me at this point, and info is totally fine. All right, so now we need to add a meta tag to our home page so that Bluehost and our website can acknowledge our email account with Google Apps. So this can be a little tricky. I am going to go step by step. Please let me know if you have any difficulty going through this, but it should be a straightforward process. All right. First things first, we are going to change this to add a domain host record. Oh. All right, so log into your domain host website. I can do that. So I'm going to log into Bluehost on the other screen. If you need to pause this, go ahead so that you can log onto both sites. I have successfully done that. Then it moves on to the next step. Go to your control panel of your domain and access your DNS zone records. Okay, I can do that right here. Under domains, it's right here. Okay, what next? I've done this. I've opened up my domain. All right, add a new text record to your domain. Okay, so it looks like the host, I'm going to add @ and then I'm going to add this verification code. So I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to add it there. So don't forget the host record is @. We're going to change the type to text and we're going to add the value, our verification code, and we're going to add that record. It says it takes up to 4 hours. For me, it was instant, so it just depends on the type of system you have. All right, what's next? We added that. Save the text record and verify. Okay, we've already done that. Next is go to the control panel again. Okay, we're already there. Next, we're going to add an MX record. I'm going to speed through this because we're going to be doing a lot of copy and pasting. So I'm copying the value into the different portions. All right, I created the MX record and I deleted the unnecessary one. I have saved it. Now I'm going to verify my domain is set up. Remember I told you it said it would take 4 hours? Looks like it's going through and it's complete. Perfect. Wonderful. Let's move on. Okay, so now it's asking me what plan do I want. I'm used to the $5 one. I don't really need the business one. I don't really have much. It's just me. So I'm going to choose the $5 one. I don't really need the enterprise one either. So that was an easy decision. All right, so now we're going to go into our billing. So that means we're going to have to enter our credit card information to set it up. So I'm going to speed through all of this because I'm going to go through it and add my personal information that, again, I will not be sharing with the internet. So after I did all that, I went ahead and tried to access my email. Here we are. And here are my favorite apps, my Hangouts, my admin, my forms, everything that I enjoy about Google Apps are here. I'm happy to hear it. I want to test my email to make sure it works. So I'm going to send myself an email. Hi there, gorgeous. All right, let's see if it goes through. Yes, there it is. Success! I have a Gmail account now. So excited about it. So just another tidbit, throughout our process of activating our Bluehost account, our WordPress account, and if you chose to go with Google Gmail, our Google account, or your Google account, you will be receiving multiple emails. Make sure you go through them, read through them, and make sure you understand what they're saying and save them. I don't ever delete any email I get from my registration of new accounts. You never know when you need to refer back. So I always create a new folder with that information and put all of those in there so that I can always refer back to them. So I hope this was helpful. And if you have questions, again, you can email me or access our Facebook group for questions. Talk to you soon. Bye.